Good morning. Today is the 23rd of June, Friday. We're seeing that Nifty and Bank Nifty are opening in the negative, 29 points and 83 points. HDFC Bank is actually breaking the low of yesterday. It's opening at 1637. So probably there is this fall that we're seeing. And past 3 days have been a good rally for HDFC Bank. We might see a small correction. Yesterday, Bank Nifty was all over the place. It went up, couldn't sustain higher, and then it fell. And it closed towards approximately at the day's low. And let's see how the first 5 minutes shape up. I'm expecting a negative trade in the morning. Ah, market is quickly falling. Bank Nifty has got a reversal from this point. Let's see how the first 5 minute candle shapes up. If this closes to be negative, then we can go for a put trade. All the banks are currently negative except ICICI. We have open and high on the call side. A lot of open and highs on the call side. Let's see if we can get one spike on the upside and then probably fall. 43, 600, 500, 700, all these have open and highs. They're already down 20%. Let's see. The first 3 minute candle is closing low. It's closing above yesterday's high. HDFC is also going down. 43, 500, 600, 700, all of these have open and high. Let's see. The 5-minute candle is turning out to be a negative one. Open and lows on the put side and open and highs on the call side. Problem here on call side is we're seeing a 25% drop already. So Nifty is breaking the day's low. Bank Nifty is following the same. Thinking of taking a trade. But although Bank Nifty is going down, the spot chart is not increasing the price. Seeing if the open and high has a chance. Taken is at 370. It's going up with very low volume. It is falling. Exited some at 381. It is forming to be a bearish candle. It's coming closer to 43,436, which is the support. I've exited this trade. I'll take a trade based on the next move at 3,600 here. The only reason why I'm not super confident on the put side is because of the open and highs. But although 30% of it is being already wiped out, let's see if it has the strength to go down, go up, and then go down. It is again falling down. Let's see if we can get another trade here. The RSI is already at 20. Okay, I'm going to wait it out. Move is being faster. Although it's going down, it's going with the decreasing volume candles. So I'm not confident. I'll take a trade once I see some price action here. So being a Friday, we can expect some volatility. Just given constant rejection, planning to take 43,700 strike. Let's see. Adani is down 4%. Planning on taking a put trade. It is going up. It is trying to cross the VWAP. Taken 1000 quantity at 338. Taking 1000 quantity of this at 283. Expecting the open and high to be hit. 411 and 340 are the strikes. Let's see if they have the strength. The 5-minute candle reversed very badly, and that is why I wanted to exit the trade. Taken 2000 quantity at 306. Just look at the reversal of this 5-minute candle. It went from a completely bullish candle to a bearish candle. Took this at 306. It is trying to cross the day's high. We got this at 306 approximately. It has made a high of 335. Waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. It is reversing a little. I'm exiting some quantity. I'm not sure this fall is good enough or not. We just have 1000 quantity left. Bought some at 222. But this strike has the highest OI. I'm exiting at cost. And the fall is really good, but it's not moving as per the price action. That's keeping me a little confused. Still having 1000 quantity of this. We exited some at 318. Exiting this as well. The reversal was too good that I was expecting a fall. Nifty is continuing to fall, whereas Bank Nifty is staying strong at the day's low. It's again reversing from here. I've exited this trade at 216. I'll wait and see, because when it went up, I was looking for the open and high. We bought it at 338 and 383. Sorry, we bought it at 283. Okay, now it's again moving higher. Our entries were at 338 and 284, and it went to 238. 334 is what we bought. It went to 370, and 238 went all the way to 300. We should have booked a little, some quantity there, but I was expecting it to hit the open and high. The market is again going up. Waiting to see if this can be an open and high trade. We are seeing a good probability here, and 43,500 PE is standing at the highest OI. Almost 26 lakh OI got added today out of 46 lakh. Okay, I think this is the open and high trade. I'm buying these again, 340 and 280. Bought it at 340 and 280 because I'm expecting the open and high to be hit. I will exit some quantity. If it comes to cost, instead 500 at 277, and holding on to this. Forty-three, 400, 500, 600 is what we're looking at. The move looks good. HDFC is again back to being positive. So that's why I'm confident on the call trade. We've taken this back at 283. Forty-three 600 and 43 500 are at my portfolio. The sole reason is HDFC Bank. It is moving higher. And if this super trend is broken, then we can see a good move. That's what I'm expecting. It's again taking resistance there. HDFC Bank is super bullish. The 5-minute candle seems good. It has taken a proper support. 43 600 I'm holding, and 500 also. And 340. Although I won't be waiting until all of that is taken, but just looking for a quick spike because the data should move from negative to positive. I'm just waiting because looking at the price action, it is bullish, but again, we cannot be sure of what the market can do. It can reverse at any point because this is the point where they pushed it down. If this is crossed, then we can see a move on the upside. 5-minute looks good. has to cross 370 on that. That can give us a move on the upside. Perfect, perfect. This is what I was expecting. HDFC Bank is just pushing its move higher. If the day's high is breached, then it can give us a very good move. Just waiting for this candle close in 5 minutes, because this is where yesterday's high is also there. 370. We exited 500 quantity on both 370 and 308. I'm holding the rest. Open and high seems to be a possible factor, and Bank Nifty is just moving because of HDFC Bank. Look at the way HDFC Bank is moving, and Bank Nifty is just imitating it. Exited some here. Exited some here. We're almost at the verge of hitting the open and high. 340 and 411. We exited at 403 and 345. Got very good exits. Just have the last 250 quantity. The 5 minutes is actually coming down. It was taking a very big reversal candle from here. The trending OI went to positive. Okay. I've exited all the trades. 60,000. Done. It was good that we held on to the trade from 390. Our entries were at 340 and 280, and we exited it. We exited some at 277 and bought it back at 283. And the 280 that we bought exited at 310, 340, and 310 again. And the 340 that we bought, we exited at 370, 403, and again 370. They purely went to hit the open and high. Looks like that. So, okay, these both are hit. 411 and 340 is hit. So I won't be taking any more trade. It is only and only going because of the HDFC Bank. Although it went down, it did not break the day's low decisively. It broke the day's high and then kept going higher and higher. And also 43,500 calls had the highest OI. Sorry, 43,500 puts. Almost 2.9 million out of 5 million was added today. They're continuing to move higher now. We have open and high at 43,700 also. Let's look at that. Taking a small scalping trade here. 274. 275 is our buy price. 294 is the open and high. Okay, it's retracting from the high. I've exited this trade at 261. This looks like a probable one. Let's see. We bought it at 273. It's again back at the same price. Bought it back at 273. Our entry is at 273. $275. It's gone to 275. I've exited some at 270. Although it is bullish, I'm not seeing the momentum on the upside. It should just quickly be a move and then it should hit the strike. I've exited somewhere at 266. Exited all at 258. We've lost 25,000 on this. That's all right. We'll wait for the high to break decisively because that's the open and high. That's the only one which is pending, which is at the money. 3 minute looks positive, but we have to see a decisive move on the upside. Only when we can take a trade. HDFC Bank is being positive. It's breaking the day's high. The data is positive. I'm just waiting for the momentum. All the open and lows are hit. Let's look at the data. T3 700 is the only one pending. 44,000 also has open and high. Seeing a good drop. We need this to continue. Nifty is trying to take a support. Bank Nifty is in its opening range. It has to break that range for it to move higher. Only if it closes above 275, I can take a trade. We can get 20 points on this. Seeing that the Bank Nifty can go higher. HDFC Bank is continuously moved up. It can retrace a bit and then move higher. That is what we can expect in Bank Nifty. Because once it tried to break, it fell down, and then the second time the move was too good. This is again trying to go up. I'm looking at the same strike. It's purely moving because of the HDFC Bank. The HDFC Bank has again gone up after the retracement, and Bank Nifty is doing the same. I'll wait until the high is breached. 1653 is there. I've entered some at 267. It looks like it has the capacity to go up. Just waiting for the price to make the move. Since it's ATM, we added some more quantity at 280. Added some more quantity at 280. Exited some at 286. Exited some more at 278. I have 1000 quantity. I exited one at cost. Just have 10 points on this. Looks like a probable hit. Exit some at 293. Exit some at 298. And look at HDFC Bank in the meanwhile. It's just breaking the day's high. I've exited all 295. And this is there. This is hit. 44,000 is OTM, and I wouldn't be taking that for now. We bought it at 280, 267. Then as it went to 280, I bought a few more at 280. Exited some at 286. Exited this at cost, and exited the rest here. 65,000 overall. We lost only on the 43,500 put trade. Everything else was a good one, especially the open and high, which was purely led by the HDFC Bank. Because I was expecting the retrace to take some time for Bank Nifty as well. And then when the market can take the retracement and then go higher because of this big move of 1%, it would retrace a bit. That was when I was expecting this to take. But before that, I took a few trades which led me into a loss in this strike. But overall, we could get back the loss and close at 65,000. I'm closing the day. I wouldn't be trading anymore. Although the market is going on the upside, trending OI is showing a bullish move. So only the HDFC Bank which is positive. Every other bank is negative. ICICI breaking the day low. Kotak sustaining at the VWAP. Axis is trying to break the day's high. SBI is below the VWAP. HDFC is the only bank which is moving up. So I would see if we would get a trade sometime later because all the open and highs are done, and I would be out of this trade for now. I'll be closing the day with 65,000 profit, and yeah, most of the trades I've expected on the upside was done. All the open and highs are hit. We exited this last one at 295, 298, and 293. So that also gave us a good move. That's it. I'm done for the day. A good week.